Okay.
Hi foodies, and so we're making smash burgers, open face, no bun. I decided to do no bun, no bread, just beautiful open faced with some lettuce and tomato on the plates. And what you do is you put these in the fridge after you mix up your good things, onion and all your spices and whatever you like in there, some salt and pepper. And then you let them set in the refrigerator for a little while, and then you can smash them down like I did here. I've got 2 smashed going, and over here I have some mushrooms, and then I'm going to use some beautiful smoked provolone cheese to top them off with, and then we're going to just take a plate and put a few pieces of lettuce on it like this. Just let them cradle just like this, okay? And some slices of tomato. This is really easy to fix for your table. Some slices of tomato there. And then we'll put the burger here, and then you can put whatever you like, ketchup, mustard, however you love your burgers. And in the meantime, we're gonna grill these and cook them up good, and then we will show you how to put them all together, okay? So grilling is easy. Get yourself a grill. They come in all shapes and sizes, and you can get them from the George Foreman. This is a Breville. You can get them at Target, every store, Macy's, Amazon, wherever you shop. Okay, so we're gonna come back in a little bit and we'll show you how these things are cooking, and then we're gonna put them all together once we get them cooked and go to eating at the table. So there we have it. This is Peter Carpizzo's, as always, wishing you the best. It's Burger Day today at the Carpizzo Kitchen. Out.